Hey YouTube, welcome to the video. Today I am going to be doing a how to make an edit video. So yeah, let's get started. First off, what you want to do is you want to go to art box, and then you want to go to the character section, and you want to press on your character. Make sure you're not wearing any white if you can help it. If it's just a little bit of white, I don't think it matters. So then, after you've added a character that you want in your edit or your character, you want to try and find a pose, and this is fakey by the way, and I won't be recording much with my voice, so it will be rare that I do. And my breathing is very heavy, so I'm sorry. And then to get rid of that background, you just press off it and by adding another one. So then what you want to do is you want to get up snip tool. You can add emotions if you'd like, but I don't want to. So yeah, and after you've done your snapshot, you actually, you know, name it something. And you want to try and find a background for your edit. It doesn't really matter as long as it fits in with it. Then you want to go to Pixlr, which I already have it at my top thing there, as you can see. I don't know if you guys saw that, but you want to scroll down to Pixlr Editor, not Pixlr Express, I don't know what that does. Then you want to go to Create New Image, Transparent, go to Presets, and then scroll down to Movie 180p, which is right at the very bottom. Open Image as Layer. And then you want to try and find your thing. Edit Free Transformation. And to make it the size that you want it, click off it, and then press yes. And then get your little wand tool, and then snip away all the things you do not need. Now sometimes it's really hard to get like all of the white out of your characters, so like I tend not to do it sometimes, but I really do try. I think that'll do. You want to go back to layer, open image as layer, really document, and then you try to find that picture. Go to edit again, free transformation, and make it the size of the little white boxing that you have going on. And then you want to drag your character over to the background, and then it's on. Now, what you want to try and do is you actually want to try and paint it so it blends in with it, but only colors for it to blend in. Because like that will happen if it's like, you know. I'll be back once I did. Now this is sort of bad, so it's like the best as I can actually do. So then what you want to do is you want to add like a message if wanted. And I'm going to show you how to do 2 types. This is the first one, but I've never tried the second one, so I don't know how it will turn out. Sorry, please don't say, oh my gosh, that failed so bad, because I know I probably will, but I don't care. Now what you want to do is you want to go to File and then Save. Now, I'm not good at editing, but I do try. Now for this edit, you want to type in just like a garden background or something. It depends, it doesn't really matter though. I'm gonna go for this one. And now for the phone, like this is the phone one. Now sometimes if you go into these sort of stuff, it would normally show it, but oh, I spelled phone wrong. This actually might fail. Now, I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we're just going to go carry on. So then, what you want to do is after you've got the picture and stuff, like both of the pictures, you want to go, like all of them are meant, you want to go to Launch Web App. Now, I don't know if I will be able to add the garden background that I want, but we'll try. So, this is where some of my pictures are stored. Beginner. I can't find them. We're gonna try. It should be here somewhere. If not, I do not know. If not, I'll just use one of my old pictures. Let me try something. Oh, it is on the Bandicam section. Oh, there it is. And then you want to go to layer, open image as layer. And I think it's, yeah, this one. Free transformation. Make it the size that you want your edit to be roughly. You go like that. Free transformation. You have to try to make it fit in with the screen. Holy crap. That was actually not meant to happen, but you saw what I did there. But yeah, that's how you do it. But you don't remove the white background, only the shadow of your Msp character. So yeah, that's how you do it. And thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to mine and Alice's channel. Bye. Love you guys. And easily, if you wanted to add like a Snapchat filter, you just type up the Snapchat filter. If it's a dog one, you type up ears and then the nose, like this. Snapchat dog nose. Or it'll just come up like that. Snapchat. It's like that writing, but I don't know. Snapchat text box. I don't know, I can't find it. But anyway, thank you for watching. Bye, love ya.